Satkeval Sahib, Satkeval Sahib. Again, we meet in this online teaching process. Continue our topic. Main topic is micro teaching plan. Then subtopics, steps in micro teaching. Steps in micro teaching. Yesterday means previous video, we have heard characteristics of micro teaching. In their content is their micro elements, teaching skill and teaching strategies, feedback also, safe practice ground also there, and the teaching models. These are the characteristics of micro teaching. And now today I am going to elaborate that steps in micro teaching, dear students. Here there are 8 components. Defining the skill. A particular skill is defined to students, teachers in terms of specific teaching behaviors. It means a particular skill means any students choose the particular skill, different types of skill, उसकी क्षमता, राइट, करने की कुछ क्षमता है उसमें कि वो क्वेश्चंस पूछकर लेसन चलाने के बारे में सोचता है, कोई ड्रामा करके लेसन करता है. सो रेनफोर्समेंट मीन्स वैसे सुदृढ़ीकरण करके करता है, मीन्स बूस्टिंग करके करता है, रेनफोर्समेंट करके. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ स्किल, a particular skill is defined to students, teachers means trainees in terms of specific teaching behavior and the objectives of such a behavior, goal at achieving. Demonstrating, second point is demonstrating the skill. How to demonstrate this skill? Teacher educator means faculties can give the demonstration lesson using the particular skill. Before teachers trainees prepare that and given us lesson, particular skill, before them faculty can give the demonstrate lesson to particular skill. उनको पहले फैकल्टी जो है कॉलेज की, वो कॉलेज की फैकल्टी उनको समझाती है, बताती है कि कैसे ये स्किल पर, क्वेश्चनिंग स्किल पर हम कैसे लेसन ले सकते हैं. क्लियर? सो देन नाउ पर्टिकुलर स्किल, वीडियो टेप और फिल्म बेस्ड ऑन यूजेस स्पेसिफिक skill also. Third one is, one important point is step is planning the lesson. The student's teacher prepare a lesson plan based on the pre-decided model on a suitable topic. Actually that he or she can given her that lesson plan, तो प्री डिसाइडेड, उनको पहले से डिसाइड करना है कि मेरे को कौन से टीएलएम लेके जाना है, राइट. बाद में वो ढूंढ के फिरना नहीं चाहिए कि वो मेरा टीएलएम रह गया, मेरे को ये बताना था. सपोज कोई कॉइन पर चलता है, कोई कॉइन करेंसी का लेसन लेता है, तो करेंसी का लेसन लेने से पहले उनको व्हाट इज करेंसी एंड the different types of coins and different types of rupees not उनको बतानी है. तो these are the teaching aids. Clear? So TLM उनको पहले से pre decide और model suitable topics relating to particular skill which he or she proposed to practice first. These are the steps. Teaching the micro lesson. Fourth point is teaching a micro lesson. Micro means only 6 to 7 minutes in front of your colleagues. right? And one faculty member is there sitting with you. Fifth one is discussion on the lesson delivered, discussions to give feedback. After that discussion to given a feedback, peers who participated in the lesson as learners. Actually your peers means your colleagues, आपके साथ जो पढ़ते हैं वो पार्टिसिपेट होते लर्नर की भूमिका में, वो लर्नर की भूमिका में, राइट? और आप उनके टीचर हो, ऐसे करके आपको पढ़ाना है, बाद में वो आपको फीडबैक भी देंगे. Peer observer or supervisor can provide be necessary to feedback, right? Necessary to feedback. So total 10 students are there, 10 members are there. Here 6 members, one you are given a lesson, 6 students you are with you, right? There are learners role. 1 are observers and 1 is the faculty member, then 10 members are there. 6 point is replanning. Suppose any feedback कि आपने ऐसे पढ़ाया तो ऐसे पढ़ाना चाहिए था, then it should be change the topic, right? ऐसे आपको पहले बताना चाहिए था TLM, बाद में बताया आपने, right? Explain करने के बाद बताया, no. तो replanning करके, that second point is reteaching. Again you have given a lesson, reteaching, and again a rediscussion. Again a rediscussion means feedback given and rediscussion. So this cycle, the teach and reteach cycle is repeated till the desired level of skill is achieved. Then your training, right? Trainee teachers desired of skill level is achieved. So it is important. Now next important point is here, process of micro teaching. Micro teaching is a simulated teaching. It is a simulated teaching done only master the skills of teaching and not done to regular class. Not done into regular class. It is sealed down. Teaching means the trainees is teaching small group of 4 to 6 pupils only. 4 to 6 pupils means same as your class. The lesson is scaled down in the length of class. Time is also reduced. Only 5 or 10 minutes. Maximum 10 minutes and minimum 5 minutes. It is also scaled down in terms of technique, teaching tasks. The process of micro teaching follows sequence as shown below. Already I had given a picture, peek also, these small books of pictures, and that pictures you have seen in the last page of them. प्लानिंग है, टीचिंग है, बाद में फीडबैक है, रीप्लान है, अगेन द रीटीच है. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, ये बड़ी बुक है लेकिन उसमें मैंने स्मॉल में भेजा था, ये देख लेना जोरा, राइट? सेम है, कैन नॉट बी चेंज. नाउ इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, ट्रेनी विल प्लान and prepare lessons to be given for only 6 to 7 minutes. Only one skill is practiced at a time. Only one skill, right? There are 4-5 skill, but here you learn only there. Only you have given only one skill, right? Introduction the lesson, right? Skill of questioning, skill of demonstration, skill of reinforcement, whatever, right? After the planning, they will teach the small group. Supervisor will give a feedback. Supervisor means faculty and their colleagues also to supervisor. Feedback is given for improving the skills, right? आपको ये ऐसे शब्द यूज करने चाहिए. यस, वाह, वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट, नाइस, राइट, कीप इट अप. सो ऐसे फीडबैक देते रहेंगे, राइट. एनी मिस्टेक देन नाउ अकॉर्डिंग द ट्रेनिंग वी will replan and reteach again. This whole process will take place in 40 minutes. Right? Replanning, reteaching, again the feedback and discussion. So 40 minutes in a one period. Micro teaching is done in a group of 10 students. It is important topic, huh? Three words, 3 sentences. Micro teaching is done in a group of 10 students. One will be teaching, means you are there, teacher, like आप जो पढ़ाते हो वो. 7 will act like students. 7 will act like students. 2 students will observe the lesson and give a feedback to along with. वो आपको भी फीडबैक देंगे जो आपके साथ पढ़ते हैं, और जो 2 ऑब्जर्वर है वो. एंड विथ 1 फैकल्टी मेंबर. इन कॉलेज में से कोई भी एक फैकल्टी मेंबर आपके साथ बैठा होगा, वो भी आपको फीडबैक देगा. सो दैट दिस इज टोटल 40 मिनट्स प्रोसेस. 40 मिनट्स प्रोसेस, राइट. सो ऑल these components we have to cover. Then we have developed our the skill in our teaching line, teaching period, right? So it is important point of view that, so what is a micro teaching? Now you know very well what is a micro teaching. Teaching in there here, objectives of micro teaching already you understand, characteristics of micro teaching, steps in a micro teaching, and now last topic is process of micro teaching is also. Now next video we learn that, and we have given to that one lesson plan also, how to write. Now it is, right, which here it is the skill of introduction the lesson, skill of introduction the lesson. Okay, thank you beta. You remember, each and every students will see this video and write a note properly and prepare a lesson plan for the 3 subjects. One is the English, another one is the environment, and third one is maths. So please, I request to all, and you have to submit your notebook as well also PDF पिक पाड़ के आपको PDF बनाना है. बाद में आप सबमिट कर देना, मैं बोलूंगा तब, अभी नहीं. ओके, पहले ये देखना कंपलसरी है, राइट. बाय. नेक्स्ट वीडियो, देन टुमारो आई विल सी यू देयर. ओके, थैंक यू, बाय.